I'm Miguel Garcia with the Skyline View, and right behind me are all the students who had to evacuate the building. And as of now, we are allowed to go back in the Building 8, but earlier there was a fire alarm that went off, and this is the second time since last Wednesday that a fire alarm went off on production night, which is Wednesday night. And, well, now that everything's fixed, here are what some students and the dean had to say about the recent event, or the recent fire alarm going off. As you know, it's fire alarm. What were you in the middle of?
Well, I was waiting for class. I was getting a cupcake until, you know, the fire alarm was pulled or went off.
Yeah.
I was just waiting for class.
Oh, so it's like, but now that the fire alarm is pulled, class is kind of delayed now.
I was supposed to present a project, and I was supposed to take a test. I was kind of looking forward to the project, not so much the test, but you know, I guess it was okay.
Kind of saved you some time, right?
Saved me some time to mentally prepare myself.
All right.
Yeah.
What were you in the middle of when the fire alarm went off?
I was actually in class alone, waiting for class to start.
Oh, so it was just about to start. What were you about to do in class?
Class hasn't started yet. I was just in there in my English class I was in.
Okay. So do you find the delay kind of convenient, inconvenient?
Inconvenient because it's like I was kind of like, you know, ready for class to start because I did all my homework and I was doing all that stress reliever. So, I mean, this is kind of a stress reliever, I guess. More breathing room to relax and stuff. But I just want to get this class over with. I don't want to miss anything for the next session.
Right. Should be it, right?
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much. No problem. Your name? Miguel. Thanks, Miguel.
Hi, my name is Mary Gutierrez.
All right. So, we just experienced a fire alarm. We don't know what's going on yet. If anything, could you, what were you in the middle of when the fire alarm went off?
Sure. I think there were classes and then just general after-class activities going on. So end-of-the-day activities were interrupted when the fire alarm went off. I think that they've dispatched for the fire department to come and look and see what's caused the fire alarm to be set off. I think that they were looking at the electrical panel, and I just commented to someone else that sometimes this stuff happens at the beginning of when we start to use a ventilation system for heating. Sometimes there are heat sensors that get triggered, and you know, just because things are being used for the first time again. Yeah.
So this is the second time in a row that this happened, like, especially for us. It's happened on production day. Did we ever figure out what happened last week?
I'm sure that they figured out what happened. I was in a different building and I wasn't listening to the radio to find out what happened during that time, so I don't know what the answer is.
Okay.
I checked a few. Can't think of any other questions.
I mean, I guess like we already know the procedures, but kind of walk us through what we would normally do when the fire alarm goes off, like any sort of evacuation procedure.
Yeah, sure. So basically, when the fire alarm goes off, we should all know where our closest exit is. Should pack up our stuff and head out to go to the closest exit, and then to stand in clearance of the building, kind of waiting for the all's clear to come back in and enter the building. Be patient and understanding, and acknowledge that what we're doing is taking the best care of all of us until we figure out what the real problem is.
We also heard from a couple of students that in ways it was an inconvenience and a convenience to them because class was delayed. They were eager to get back in the class. Some of them were just trying to breathe a little bit before class starts. How do you see this kind of situation?
Yeah, so I think great teaching is working around being flexible. So there are always these unpredictable things that happen, right? They don't happen all of the time during a semester, but they happen on occasion in a semester. And great teaching is when the professor is able to respond on the spot and take these little challenges and turn them into better opportunities in the classroom. So maybe that means that quiz you were going to take becomes a quiz that you take online, or that you have a little bit longer to work on that rough draft that was due today.
All right, that should be it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Hell yeah.
No problem.
Nice setup you got.
Thank you.